In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export contacts from Freshsales CRM. It's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Freshsales like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to the menu and go down to admin settings. Then from here, you should be doing something like this. And here you'll need to go down to account settings and over here to account settings again. Then from here, you'll have the option to export data. And if you click export data over here, you will see that you can select a time period for the last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, until today, or a custom period. Then from here you can choose records to export. Then you can add contacts, accounts, deals, notes, tasks, meetings, calls, custom sales activities, users, email logs, or email conversations. For this tutorial I'm just going to choose contacts, but this will work with any other of these versions over here. Then from here you need to click export data. Then from here your data will be exported to a zip file that will be sent over to your email address. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!